Hey everybody, it's Dave from Aspirant talking about how you can get the most out of PowerPoint, whether it's for webinars or proposals or really anything in between. And today we're talking about image compression and how that affects file size. Might be wondering why that's an important topic. Well, it can be important if you spend a lot of time developing this amazing deck and then you go to email it to someone like a client or someone within your own organization and the size is too large. It might not attach, or your client might not receive the email because they have a limitation on the file sizes that they can receive. So it can be very frustrating when you or a large team that you've worked with, you spend weeks developing this amazing content, and then no one can see it because you can't get the document where it needs to be. So image compression can help with that. I'm going to share my screen here, and we'll take a look at a fairly typical Aspirant slide. We've got the placeholder language on the left, high-res cropped image on the right, and we know that it's cropped because if we right-click and hit crop, we can see the unseen portion of the image just kind of hanging out there in the middle of nowhere. It's not being seen, there's no use for it, and it's increasing your file size just unnecessarily. So imagine if you have a large deck with lots of images like this one, all those cropped images, they're dramatically increasing your file size. So let's do a quick fix by going to picture format and then right here to compress images in the menu above. And there's a couple of options here where you can apply it just to this picture or to everything in your deck. You want to make sure that you have delete cropped areas of pictures checked off for sure. And then for resolution, we'll just use default resolution. That's really all that we need for today's video. And as soon as you hit OK, all that unseen image, it's gone. We know that it's gone because we still have the image selected to be cropped, and the rest of that unseen image has been taken away from us. So your file size is going to drop down pretty exponentially. And it's a good trick for not only just shrinking the file size down, but for internal document manage as well. You know, maybe you have a shared drive with a large team and you're starting to hit the file size limit that IT has given to you. This can help you save some space. So remember this one, to get the most out of PowerPoint, add this into your best practices.